So, Zikki, what are we making today?
My favorite pancakes.
Yummy. I like pancakes.
Me too.
Do you know what we put in pancakes?
Egg, sugar, flour, butter, and milk.
Milk. Good. So let's start with the one egg. Put the egg in. Ready? Yep. There we go. One egg. Give me that. Then we put the sugar in. That's 75 grams of sugar.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Yeah, now we mix that. Nice and good. Thoroughly mix it all.
So sticky.
Yeah. Let me give you a hand a little bit. So we need to make sure we incorporate. We put the milk in. 250 mils of milk, gently
More
in.
out.
Yep.
More not.
Now we mix. Yeah. Give me that. And you carry on mixing. Let me give you a hand with the flour next. So I want you to pour the flour in. Yeah. Yeah. And then that's 100 grams of flour going in.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Again.
Okay. One side. Now I want you to sift this.
No.
Shake it. How do you do it? Shake, 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 shake. And now the final thing is gently mix so that we don't have any lumps.
So. What's
Yeah,
next?
I'll help you a little bit.
Put the butter.
In goes the 20 grams of melted butter.
Okay.
Yep, pour it all in. Good boy. Give me that.
I want to make that.
Okay. Mix it all up. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Okay. Looks like our batter is nearly ready. Just give me one more. Looks like we're all ready to start. I'm going to pour some batter into this bottle for you to make some pancakes with. Pour about 3. Now the mixture is ready. Let's get started making pancakes.
But wait, we need an adult today.
Yeah, and that's what I'm here for. Now, Zikki, I'm going to put a little bit of oil for you to have a go at making some of your own. So, gently, yeah, squeeze in, yeah, oh, wow, okay. Thought you were going to make some patterns, Zikki. There we go. Give it a swirl. This is where the adult does the work. Zikki, we're gonna now flick over your pancake. Oh, look at that color.
Now flick it out.
Yep. Give it a few seconds on this side to cook.
That was good.
Yeah. And then we're gonna make some toppings.
Yay. Yeah.
Now let's check the color. Oh, wonderful. Okay. We're gonna flick it out. There we go.
What?
Turn off the cooker. Now time to decorate.
Yeah.
Now, Zikki, time to decorate your pancakes with your favorite toppings. What would you like to type? Everything, yeah? Go on, put the fruit in. Yeah. Okay. Now you want to put some chocolates. Here, let me help you. Put some chocolate powder on a spoon. Sprinkle it across. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. Now you want to try these?
No honey.
No honey. Okay. Open honey. Okay.
So slippery because my hands. My hand.
Okay, Zikki, put some more eggs in it, I think. There we go. I think that's enough.
No. Ready to enjoy my pancake. Thank you for teaching me, Papa.
You're welcome, Zikki.
I need a fork and knife.
Okay.